Known for its iconic limestone islands, Halong Bay is one of the most stunning places that you can visit here in Vietnam. Today, we are setting sail to experience this UNESCO World Heritage Site for ourselves.
Halong Bay is a majestic location that consists of nearly 2,000 rocks, mountains, and islands. Halong Bay is something you should not miss.
Oh, wow! It is already stunning. There are approximately 1,600 islands, most of which are uninhabited. There are so many things to do here. Kayaking, swimming, hiking, or just relaxing with a view. This is the biggest cave in Halong Bay and considered to be the most beautiful. The best time to visit is between March and May or September and November, to avoid the extreme heat of the summer or cloudy winter. If you're short on time, you can do a day trip to Halong Bay, but a 2 or 3 day cruise lets you really soak it all in. This is incredible. It's crazy to me that I woke up to this. It's such a rare gift. Like, what an opportunity to have this view. I cannot recommend this enough.